Good day, Ma'am and Sir. My name is Jasmine Agdesa Jerusalem. I am a 34 years old. I currently live in the Philippines Occidental Mindoro. I have one sister and three brothers. I'm the younger in the family. I am a full-time mother to my three children, two sons and one girl, 8 years old, 5 years old, and 1 year old. I'm the one only caring of them. I feed him, I cook, I drop to school, and I pick up. For my educational background, I am a high school graduate. For my work experience outside the country as a helper at Bahrain, 2019 to 2021. I do my job every day, cooking, washing the clothes, iron, and clean the house. And also, I carrying the old woman, 7 to 7 years old. I feed him, I take a shower, I give a shower, and I give them medicine. And I'm willing to learn how to cook your food. Mom and sir, please hire me because I'm honest, loyal, and hardworking. And I promise to you, I follow the rules and regulations